Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to the channel. This is a process video for Shimmerz paints, where if you use my name in the comments with any of the products that I use, you will get a freebie. And there's some information. You just, in the comment section, you just write it down and you get a freebie. So I'm using quite a bit. I got some inspiration from just, I think overall I was looking over Pinterest, and there was not like this one layout that I was like, ooh, this is what I want to do. I was looking at mixed media and I wanted to capture something of this one particular photo that I'm using. And I wanted to capture it in like a different type of a light, I guess. And I just was looking and looking. And so I took different little bits and pieces of like 7 or 8 different layouts and put it all together into this one layout. So here I am in the beginning. The blue that I'm using, first of all, they're all Creameez that I'm using right now. And the blue is Ride the Tide. Now, I should have waited to do the stamping technique that I showed you at the end. So you'll see me go back in and add them. Because as of right now, you can tell that I'm using the colors and it comes up because they're water-based. So they reactivate. And I knew this going into this and I forgot. Because I know better. Like, I've been using Shimmerz now for, golly, I think, I would say I'm up to like 6, 7, maybe even 8 years at this point. They're always been water soluble. Like, I mean, not a one of mine comes with anything else. Like, there's no alcohol in a lot of these. It's all water-based. So why in the world I thought that, I can put down the blue dots, and me then adding more water was just going to allow them to stay there. It doesn't work that way. We all know this. And if you don't know, I'm giving you a PCA right now. It moves them, as you can tell. So I do go back in and add my blue dots. But I wanted to just achieve just this different style, but yet my style that I haven't done in a very long time. So the creamy colors that I'm using is obviously the blue is Ride the Tide. That mint color is Refreshment Mint. And then the pinkish color is Pink Champagne. And then the orangey color is just Peachie. Now, I want it to very, very, very much be a soft color with this layout, because I want the rest of it to be dramatic, and I think I achieved that. So this is one of my photos that I have. I am going to do the colored and then the black and white one. So the black and white one is what I do first, and I am going to come in with my colorful one, or the colored photo later on. And I'm going to scrapbook, and they're both going to go side by side each other. I wanted to scrapbook the same layout, but give it 2 different takes. So I'm just using archival ink from Close to My Heart, and now I'm coming in with my stamps. I just wanted that collection to look perfect. I matched these up with Reaching Out or Reaching something. It's the new Jen Hadfield collection. And this boho, oh my gosh, good looking. I can't even tell you how much I love this collection. Like, this speaks to me. This is all me. The color tones, the rainbows, the everything just speaks to me. I absolutely love it. So I'm going in here and I'm just going through the papers right now and adding the background to it, because I want it to be very simple but yet elegant, I guess, is the best term I can come up with. But yet still messy, still me, still my style, but still keeping that style that I want it to go. And I really truly want it to be very just all about the goodness in life. Now, I went and got the layout because I haven't put it away yet. At the time of this filming anyway. Or the voiceover, I should say. So I add, and my title is just going to be Hello, Love You. And I'm just going through and I'm inking all of the paper ephemeras with black. Just because I wanted to add a little bit of something to them, but nothing too, like, dramatic. And I add a turtle, I add the peace sign, I add some flowers. Off camera, I did use some white gesso, obviously, as you could tell. And then I did use some other mixed medium that's got a glitter to it that I wanted to add to this layout as well. And I know you can't see it on camera. And I think I achieved getting as much as I possibly could when I took the photos, but in real life you can see the glitter poking through the mixed media that I used from Shimmerz paint. Now here are my rainbows. I just it's like this thing just speaks to me, like 100% speaks to me. I just absolutely love this thing. This layout has been one of my favorites, and it's really one of my favorites that I've done in a very long time. I think that this collection is just perfect. I put in some coffees because I drink so many coffees. It's crazy. My class just absolutely loves that I drink coffee all the time. They always ask, what flavors did you put in your coffee today? And I'm like, oh Lord. Lately I've been on a nitrous kick. Because you can get nitro at Starbucks, and then there is a brand that I use that I absolutely love as well. That's got nitro in it that I can take to work, and I just love it. So my kids, they just laugh at me all the time. They're like, "What you got today?" And man, I'm gonna miss it. I am down. At the time of this filming, I have 6 full days and 1 half day left. I have awards day on Monday, and I have the awards day on Monday, and then I have a couple of the other things that are going on, and then we're just kind of coasting through the school year, the rest of the school year. And then coming to coming up with let me see here. What am I doing? Coming up with just the last day of just kind of getting through it. I'm putting together my celebration party, and that's just about it. And then I do get a week and a day off, or a couple days off. I am going to actually take my first trip since Josh has been gone, and with COVID and everything. Oh, y'all, just pray for me. That's all I got to say. But I'm going to go do that, and Josh is doing well. If you don't know, if you're new to my channel, my husband is active duty, and he is stationed in Kuwait right now, and I am being a single parent with quotations, because I'm not a single parent, but right now I'm a single parent, and, living the military dream of waiting for him to come home. I am a 3rd grade teacher. So I teach 3rd grade, all 4 standards, plus, mom, dad, grandpa, grandma, auntie, uncle to them all. And I absolutely love my job. It's been, an amazing trip. I absolutely love what I do. I'm in grad school, getting my master's degree in education. So yeah, my life is packed, but I absolutely love doing what I do and love crafting for you guys as well. Like I said, I just love this community, love this. So if you are new, I would love to have you. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. This summer it'll be a little bit more just because I have more time. I do collaborations, design teams like this. I just do just about anything. So make sure that you like and subscribe. If you're coming from the Shimmerz paints, yay. I hope that you subscribe to my personal channel. If you are coming from my channel and you're on Shimmerz Paints, subscribe to their channel because we have an awesome design team. I absolutely love everybody that's on this design team, and Shimmerz has been my go-to for the longest time, and that is definitely not going to change anytime soon. So the last two colors that I'm using is Blingz Golden Roses and Sunset or Tuscan Sun. That is where I'm at. Y'all stay safe. Have a wonderful day. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.